I apologize to make you.
You've been on now for 3 seconds.
All right, so we are gonna make some fins for your rocket. So the area that you're looking for of your bottle is the flat section in the middle of the straight 2-liter soda bottle. Guys, so we're gonna make some cuts.
And gals.
Your teacher will help you make those beginning cuts, and then you're gonna want to use scissors, preferably bigger than these ones. This is more like it. Okay, so once you have that flat sleeve, we're gonna go ahead and make one cut straight across, so we have one flat sheet of plastic. Okay, so from here, you need to measure out how big you want your blades to, or fins to be, excuse me. So for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut some off so I can show you how you're gonna make a square. Okay, so cut off a section. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna fold it over into a triangle and try and match up two edges as best as I can. And then I want to make a real sharp crease here. So I'm going to take something that's pretty tough and push down all the way along that crease. Okay? So then if you take a look, you can see I've got some overlap here, and I've got a lot of overlap here. So I'm going to go ahead and trim all of that stuff off. From there, I have got a fairly square piece of plastic. So from here you can cut, mold, whatever you want to the type of fin that you want to have. So I'm just gonna go with my right triangle here. If I'm going to try and put this on my rocket, what I need to do is I wanna make sure I have the creased side pointing up, and I'm gonna make a cut just a little bit down the top of that crease. So if you take a look here, I have cut that top little bit just like this. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold these two flaps back, just like that. Flip it over and do the same thing. And now you have got a fin that you can take and attach to your rocket body. Okay, things to watch out for. Do not attach it like this. This will not work. Okay, also very important, make sure that the top of the fin, the part that will be going upwards, is folded over. You do not want this to be open. If this is open, you're gonna catch a ton of air, and that's bad. I hope you enjoyed my video of how to make a fin.